writing. Generally, whenever you are visiting a physician, a doctor, there are lots of patients are there. Now, if the physician or the doctor, if they will write each and every terms or each and every indications, each and everything in a precise manner, it will take a lots of time. Therefore, in order to save time, they are using certain small terms, those Latin terms and abbreviations. So we will discuss today about those Latin terms and abbreviations commonly used in prescription writing. Now, some of the Latin terms include according to the kinds of the preparation. So here is a heading Latin term, abbreviation and its meaning in English. Now first of all, according to the kinds of preparation, capsula, if the Latin term is capsula and if the abbreviation written is caps or cap, then we have to understand its meaning is a capsule. If it is written, it's the Latin term emulsio, if it is written as emul, it means that it indicates the formulation emulsion. If INJ is there, it is the abbreviation of inject is the Latin term and its meaning is an injection. If LIN is there, it is the Latin term, it is the abbreviation LIN for Latin term linctus. Its meaning is a linctus. Also for liniment is also LIN is also used for liniments. LOT, the abbreviation LOT indicates a lotion. This is the meaning in English, LOT. It is for Latin term LOTI or lotio. If it is pulp, PULV, the abbreviation pulp for Latin term pulvis, and its meaning in English is powder. Likewise, tab, Latin, the abbreviation tab indicates a tablet for Latin term tabella. So these are the different types of kinds of preparation and accordingly they are meaning in English. Caps for capsule, tab for tablet, INJ for injection, LIN for linctus, LOT for lotion, pulp for powder. Likewise, methods of administration. If addend is written, the abbreviation, it indicates to be added, dend, to be given, dend for Latin term dendus. SIN, signa, if it is written Latin term signa, its abbreviation is sin, its meaning is label. Sumendus, the Latin term, S or som, the abbreviation is, it indicates to be taken. Miscendus, the Latin term miscendus, miscend, the abbreviation, its meaning in English is to be mixed. Utendus, you or utend, its meaning in English is to be used. Likewise, time of administration. Different times of day are there. Likewise, the different types of abbreviation and meaning in English also there. Times per day. Simel in die, the Latin term indicates abbreviation is same in die. Its meaning in English is once a day. Likewise, bis in die, BID or BD. If it is written BD, we have to understand it is bis in die, the Latin term, and its meaning in English is twice a day. If it is written ter in die, its abbreviation is TD or TID. Its meaning in English is 3 times a day, thrice a day. Likewise, if it is written quarter in die, QD or QID, its meaning in English is 4 times a day. Next is different time of the day. If it is written prime main, Latin term, its abbreviation is PRIM, prim dot m. Meaning is early in the morning. If it is written main, M, the abbreviation in the morning, it indicates the meaning is in the morning. If it is written omni main, its abbreviation is O dot M dot. It is meant to be every morning. If it is written omni noct, O dot N dot, every night. If internoct, INTER, inter noct, during the night, noct, abbreviation N indicates at night. Likewise, noct menque, it indicates the abbreviation NM, which meaning in English is night and morning. So these are the different time of the day. If prime man is there, we have to understand it is early in the morning. If man is there, in the morning. If omni man is there, every morning. If omni noct is there, every night. If inter noct is there, during night. Noct is there at night. Likewise, we have to understand. Likewise, hour time. If it is written in Latin term, omni ora, OH, the abbreviation, every hour. Likewise, omni quarta ora, OQH, every fourth hour. Its meaning is 30 soris, tat or, the abbreviation, every 3 hour. Quarti soris, quart or, the abbreviation, its meaning in English is every 4 hours. So if it is written OH, we have to understand it is every hour. If it is written OQH, omni quarta ora, it is every 4th hour. If it is written 30 soris or tat or, every 3 hour. Likewise, if it is written quat or quati soris, its meaning is every 4 hours. Likewise, correlated times. If it is written anti-sivos, its abbreviation AC. AC indicates before meal. AC, before meal. Sivos means meal or food. So before meal, anti-sivos. Post-sivos, PC, after meal. Inter-sivos, IC, between meals. Next is other terms. Some other terms are also there used. Those are frequenter, the Latin term. It is, abbreviation is freq, F-R-E-Q, freq. Its meaning is frequently. More dicto, the Latin terms. It is MD, small term or abbreviation used is MD. MD indicates as directed. Likewise, psi, opposite, S.O.S. Its meaning is when required or when necessary. Starting, the Latin term. It is, abbreviation is start. Immediately, the meaning in English is so. The different other terms. If it is freq, then we have to understand it is frequently. If MD or more dicto, its meaning is as directed. Psi opposite or SOS, it indicates as required or when required or when necessary. Likewise, startim. Startim indicates the abbreviation start, which meaning in English is immediately. Likewise, some other terms are also there, like vehicles used and means of application. Cochlear magnum, the Latin term cochlear magnum, abbreviation is coch-meg. Its meaning in English is 1 tablespoonful. 1 tablespoonful meaning in English. Likewise, cochlear minimum, cochlear magnum, coch-meg, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoonful. Cochlear minimum, coch-min, 1 teaspoonful. Likewise, elact, the Latin term. Its abbreviation ELACT, elact dot. Its meaning in English is with milk. That means we have to take it with milk. XAQ, the abbreviation. That means we have to take it with water. So these are the different vehicles used and means of application. Likewise, parts of the body. Jugulo or JUG dot, jug. It indicates to the throat. That means it will be applied to the throat. Oris or OS, O dot S dot, to mouth. We have to apply it to the mouth. Likewise, sterno, stern, the abbreviation stern, it indicates to the chest, the meaning in English. Likewise, some miscellaneous terms are also used, like AD, to or up to. NT, abbreviation A, it is for before. Its meaning is before. Aqua, AQUA, abbreviation AQ, meaning in English is water. Likewise, aqua distillate, AQ dist, its meaning is distilled water. Sivos, its meaning is meals or food. Fiat, FIAT, the abbreviation, its meaning is make or let it to be or let it made. Ora, HORA, ora, it will be written as abbreviation H, meaning is an hour. Likewise, more dicto, M dict, its meaning is in the manner prescribed.